Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to join a classroom in Duolingo app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to join any classroom that has been created in Duolingo, all you need to do is first of all open the app and simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom menu bar. Once you tap on it, you need to now tap on the settings option, which is on the top right hand side of the corner, and simply scroll down to Duolingo for schools. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in the code that has been shared by your teacher to join the classroom that has been designated to you. So once you type in the code and simply hit on the submit button, you can get access to join the classroom by itself. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.